Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gonna cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It turned me to 60. How much you got on you? It touched me to 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So right now we got a whole lot of parts that we're gonna be going through right now. So we got a 6.0 LS that we're building out of a motor came out of a dump truck. Big thanks to Mr. Steve Overich. But yeah, the motor came out of a dump truck. It has 115,000 miles on it. Stout motor. It was running when he pulled it. So I'm gonna freshen it up, do my little customizations to the motor, and then have it back together in the car. So when it goes in, everything is smooth up and not a worry in the world for that. So right now we're dealing with the my sponsored parts. We're gonna open it first. So y'all see the name, still sponsored by them. Big shout out to LS6 Acceleration. So y'all been around since 240 build. They're the same ones that built that motor. Unfortunately, Brendan didn't run that motor, so we don't really know how everything went. So I'm gonna do it on the box. We're finishing the box. Oh, I'm finishing the Box Chevy, and I'm keeping it. So I'm here to do everything by the book this time. So this right here, I want to say, well, I don't know, we'll just open it and find out. They're all GM parts. So this is the front plate. This has to be the front. Cut the thing open. So and also big shout out to car sponsors as well for always setting that up between me and them, between us Acceleration. So you say car sponsors scam and everything. Car sponsors actually been helping out a lot with these. You set up with different sponsorships and different stuff like that. So LS Acceleration, me and them have had a good relationship since. So alright, so here's my cover plate. Oh no. Yeah, this thing wrapped nice. Probably making some people dizzy. Like, man, Dre, stop, dog. Alright, so here we are. It's my cover plate. See that name? So big shout out to Acceleration. Big thanks to car sponsor for giving me the sponsorship with them. So has a seal and everything in it. Seal is already set up. This thing is stout. The install on these are easy. Like, it's a front plate, so you're gonna take your front bolts out and everything. We're gonna get to that once I start building the motor. But you're gonna take all them bolts out, and remember the bolts at the bottom. So I always remember that for that part. So that's front, has seal and everything. This thing is beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and I'm glad they got that on there this time. Last time plate, I don't think the other plate had. I think it was just a basic run-of-the-mill plate, but I do appreciate this one. This is beautiful craftsmanship and everything and that. So next, we got our stickers. We got our little stickers. So rear plate, so that's why it has GM on it. So this is the OE plate. So they got all the they can get whatever part you want, really. So this plate has the hardware already in it. Seal is already in. So I'm pretty sure that little piece right there helps you guide it, and that wasn't on my last one. I'm pretty sure that's what that little piece is for. Keep you from destroying the motor and the crank. But all the seals and everything are in there. So as I said, we're doing the 6.0 build. I'm doing 243 heads on it. So 243 heads, 6.0, best thing to run. So I end up going with the Magic Stick 3 cam. So, Texas Speed, Magic Stick 3. So with that cam, did the whole kit. Got your push rods, your valve springs. So I got the dual valve springs. It comes with your seals, and then your retainers. Well, the seats. Yeah. No, the retainers, yeah. So, the retainers and everything. The valve seats. And seals. So, for a double spring. So, comes all that. Tired, y'all. Tired. But the grind don't stop. You got your springs, seals, and seats. I mean, your seat. Doggone, I'll tell you I'm tired right now. So you got your retainers, your seats, and seals, and then your double springs. So I'll open this. So it's cam. So like I said, it's a Magic Stick Stage 3. So that's your durations and everything that's on there. So I said when I got the Box Chevy, I wanted it to chop and beat like nobody has ever. So that's what we went with. Chopping, beating cam, right? So Texas Speed, Magic Stick 3, sure lifts and all that stuff. I ain't opening this yet until I get ready to install it. Granted, everything's up here, but still, you don't want to just open to have it open, you know. So it'll go in soon. I'm gonna send the heads to get them lapped, get them checked, and all the beautiful stuff comes with it. I might try to get them poured and polished. And when she goes in, she's ready to go. So got those. Hold on, bear with me. Then I ordered the lifter trays. So I got these off Amazon. So I got trays right there. They're good. I checked those just now. You got your hardware that goes for the trays. So make sure you don't separate those. Keep those together. And yeah. So we pretty much got the head assembly and everything. So yep. So that's part number. Got those. And then we are the low clearance oil pan. Wow, I ordered low clearance oil pan. It's weird. I wish it was a Wii. But I ordered the low clearance oil pan, so it came with the pickup tube. Got the oil pan. Give me one moment. Pull this up, y'all. Oil pan, have your baffle. For on this one, you actually got to cut the windage tray down just a bit. That's your hardware. So that's what it looks like. Make sure you, y'all hear that stuff falling out. Make sure y'all clean these pans out when you get them. So that's it. People, look at that. I know y'all see that. So yeah, make sure y'all are cleaning these pans up. That's not good. But for the most part, everything is solid on it. Like I said, it's a F-body pan, low clearance. So I got I typed in low clearance oil pan. So yeah. I remember stuff's poor, so just make sure you're blowing it out, doing your due diligence to help that pump and pick up too. Make sure you're not picking up anything crazy. It does come with a pan gasket down in there, so that's there. So oil pans in as well. For y'all that don't know, I'm running a 4080 transmission. So this is the plug, pretty much standalone for it. Pretty much connected to everything. So got this. Help with that. Top of helping with that. Yeah. These as well. So I run AN fittings on the transmission. The AN lines already ran from the previous owner for the box. So all they gotta do is just put these in to where it's there now. Because transmission I got now isn't the transmission I was in, but the AN fittings are already set up, so they're already there on the car. Transmission, I'm gonna pop everything out and stick these in. That's on the transmission because it has the original hard line. So put these in, and then they'll pretty much be set. So those two are the transmission parts. That's here now, and then going from there with it. Next up, big thanks to Mr. Mike. He made the 9-degree elbow that we needed for the squat spring setup. So this is the piece for the I need when we were squatting the box. So there are more parts come for that as well, but he made this. Look how elegant this is. So that thread pitch is for the air shock. This part's for the fitting. So if y'all remember, there wasn't any clearance in that spot between it and the shock on the other ones that he had. So he ended up making a 90 for that side to clear. So with that being said, let's get out here and get this thing installed. Yeah, let's get it. My bad, I totally messed that up earlier, by the way. This is the internal wiring harness. It has the temp sensor on it to be able to monitor the temperature of your transmission and everything. So I had to make a correction on that real quick before we jump into installing. So I dropped that right about now as well before we get out of here. So Mr. Mike did his stuff on this one. So there we go. So he did a little 90-degree fitting. And then when it's my 90, so there's a big like space in between the spring. It looks like it's up on the spring, but it's not. There's actually a whole lot of clearance into it. I can literally stick my fingers in between where it's at up in there, like a knife hand around between there. So it won't hit, it won't do anything to it. And like I said, these swivel, so you can change it in direction. You point it upwards, have your line drop down from the top. So I'm gonna run mine like this, and if I come in and hit in there. So big thanks to Mr. Mike on that part right there. So we got that in finally. The other side was fine. This is the only side that really had issue with fitment. Granted, be the other side in between the frame and this is actually the better side to have it on. So, like I said, if you want to do the Monroe shocks for the squat setup, get with Mr. Mike. I'm gonna screenshot his channel right here. So right now the box on all fours. That's what she look like. I ain't riding around with the one mismatch. Well, I ain't really riding anywhere right now. So all four matching. Got that taken care of. Got all the way to Virginia to get those. LS. So it's the LS I was talking about upstairs. There we are. That's just a little update for y'all. Like I said, big thanks to LS Acceleration for the sponsorship and car sponsors as well. So now you have it. We're getting there pretty fast. So big thanks to everyone that's been playing a part in this, helping me out, getting to where we are. So I can't wait to get this thing on the street. So we're making headway right now. So fingers crossed everything keeps going smoothly and the installs go smooth as possible. But yeah, anyway, till next time, keep back in peace.